Through the neon dreams, where shadows dance without connection. Take me through the neon dreams.
All right, good morning, everybody. And by morning, I mean 4 in the afternoon. As you can see, we have Casper's Volvo out there. We alluded in the previous video that we're going to be doing a minor paint correction on it, trying to bring it back to life a little bit. So, follow along. Let's get this thing taken care of.
Brother,
Take me through the neon dreams, where shadows dance without connection.
All right, so we have the contact wash done. So that's step 1. Next up, we have to go into the decontamination phase of things. And there's a lot of different methods to do this. What we're gonna do today is the DIY detail method of doing things. So we have their synthetic clay towel and their iron remover. This is actually a clay lubricant as well. So you can do iron removal and physical mechanical decontamination all in one step. Huge time saver, so let's give it a shot.
What's up, everyone? So I'm a little late to the scene with this car. Dom's already gotten a head start, as you guys can see. He is in the process of claying this bad boy, and it's not going quite as smooth as we had hoped. Literally. I'm not sure if the camera does it justice or you can see it, but if you guys can tell, there's these tiny little spots on the roof, well, all over the car actually, and they are extremely stubborn. It's gonna be one of those things where Dom's probably gonna have to throw the entire kitchen sink at it, but we have hopes that it will come off because we can still feel it and it does feel superficial, so hopefully it's not too embedded into the paint.
I think we'll be all right.
It's funny because as you dry it, it gets less red and more pink.
For now. For now.
So, what are we doing?
Test spot.
And with just a quick pass, look at that reflection. Crazy. Well, at least now I know for sure that the car is indeed single stage, because whew, that would have been bad.
No resprays here. All right, what's up, everybody? So we're back in the garage. We did run into a bit of an issue, a little bit of an odd one, honestly. There's weird spots, or was weird spots all over the car. They looked like sap. I tried attacking it with my go-to sap remover and it didn't even touch it. So decided to try a different sap remover and that worked. So Shout out to DIY Detail. Their products are turning out to be absolutely amazing. As you can see, I have done a few test spots. Looks like the car is going to need a multi-step process, so it's going to be a while. But judging by how things are coming out so far, I think we're all going to be pleasantly surprised with how this car turns out. So stay tuned and let's get into it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's pretty clear that we all took a little bit of a hiatus the last few months just to kind of focus on other aspects of life, but we'll get into that later when the boys come over to actually pick the car up. It's been quite an adventure getting here. This car was a tough one, but being that it was single stage, I think the results were pretty expected. I'm sure Casper's gonna be happy. He hasn't seen the car yet. He will be seeing it tomorrow. We're gonna do a panel prep on it. We're gonna coat it. And we're going to bed because I'm tired.
Is it recording? It's recording. It's recording.
I'm having a little bit of stage fright.
Welcome back, everybody. It's been a little while. We took a little bit of a break.
That's what my father said when he went to buy a pack of cigarettes and never got back. At least we showed up.
So we're on our way to Dom's house to finally pick up the red 850R after an extensive paint correction that took a lot longer than both you and we expected. So we're super excited, hoping it turned out great.
If anybody asking, it's all Dom's fault. Key rule, whoever's not here gets blamed.
Let's do it.
Alright. This guy hasn't made us wait long enough. We sit here for like a whole thing.
Is that the same car?
I don't think so. Car looks sharp.
I mean, I was expecting good things, but I was not expecting this. Looks a lot better than your E30, dude.
Yeah, doubtful, bro. Turn off the car, bro. See if it starts again. I know my car, bro.
Why didn't you vacuum that out?
It wasn't in your budget.
Cheap labor?
Yeah.
That would be $722.
So how was it overall? If you were grading all the cars you've done so far, was it the worst?
It took a little bit of work, but you know, single stage is a little tricky to work with, but the results speak for themselves.
Absolutely, man, dude. You killed it.
Thank you.
Let's go get some rollers.
And breakfast, please.
Do you remember the old DTM power videos?
Word, those videos were so dope.
Dude, we should shoot the Volvo video like that.
Oh, we forgot one thing. Headlight wipers. So what do you think? How'd it turn out?
Oh, dude. Wipers. Headlights. Golden. No, he did a nice job. Dom, you did good. You did.
Thank you. I'm just happy it's out of my garage.
And I'm happy to have it back. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Breakfast.
Breakfast.